Are you curious about Smart Credit and Identity IQ? Today, we'll compare these two popular tools that help you manage your credit and protect your identity. Both Smart Credit and Identity IQ offer features to keep an eye on your credit score and help you stay safe from identity theft. They are designed to give you peace of mind when it comes to your financial health. Let's start with Smart Credit. This tool focuses on credit monitoring. It provides you with your credit score and alerts you about any changes in your credit report. Smart Credit also offers a credit builder feature which can help you improve your score over time. It's user friendly and gives you a clear view of your credit status. Now, let's look at Identity IQ. This service is more about identity protection. It offers credit monitoring, but its main strength is in identity theft protection. You get alerts if someone tries to use your personal information. Identity IQ also provides insurance against identity theft, which can be a big plus for many users. What are the key differences? Smart credit is great if you want to focus on improving your credit score. On the other hand, Identity IQ is better if you are worried about identity theft and want comprehensive protection. When it comes to features, Smart Credit shines with its credit score tracking and improvement tools. Identity IQ stands out with its robust identity theft protection and insurance options. As for pricing, both services offer different plans. Smart Credit usually has more budget friendly options, while Identity IQ may have higher tiers for advanced protection. In the end, if you want to boost your credit score, go for Smart Credit. But if identity safety is your main concern, choose Identity IQ. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this.